Hey, what's up, you guys? So long time. It's been a long time. People they start asking me how to what is affiliate marketing. So it's the complete guide for the beginners. Those they just started. And they really don't know about the affiliate marketing. So this is time for you now, guys, to learn about the affiliate marketing. What does that mean? you know so I was driving all the traffic from the TikTok, and a lot of people, do we have something step by step? What is that? So I'm very excited, guys, to explain you what is that affiliate marketing. If you guys don't know, affiliate marketing is like a selling someone products, and once people they buy from your links, that's how you're gonna get commissions. So let's dive in. So sorry about that. Let me scroll down here so you guys can see that. You know. All right. So what is affiliate marketing? So let's see. Okay. So in this what is that called, paragraph, in presentation, I'm going to review what we will uh, going to learn here. So the definitions of affiliate marketing, okay, industry and info, the different ways you can do affiliate marketing also. So the type of products you can promote through affiliate marketing, okay, like physical products, Amazon and Walmart. Digital products is like legendary ClickFunnels, custom keto diet, and lot more. You know, understanding the difference niche of the affiliate marketing. So we are going to understand what kind of the niche is there also. So where to find an affiliate marketing program that actually makes money. It's like affiliate marketplace, Google's where. So we are going to talk about that. And yes, how to sign up to be an affiliate, how it's going to work, where to get traffic from the affiliate link. So this is all we are going to learn about that. Okay. So all right, so let me uh, slide to. Okay. All right. So the definition of the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or company products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of profit for each sale that you make. you know so that's a very good things. So benefit, what is the benefit? That's what I was going to talk about, that what is the benefit about that. So benefit is like a no product fulfillment. Like we don't have to create the products. The customer service, we don't need the customer service. If somebody buy from our link, and if something happened to that products, they're gonna take care of that. That company, they're gonna take care of that, everything. Chargeback, they're not going to charge back or anything. So, and refunds, we don't have to deal with refund or anything. On shipping also, we don't have to deal with that. So that is a good point for that affiliate marketing. We have to take the products and just promote it. So expert, I learned from, Spencer. He's the best. If you guys don't know him, Spencer and Neil Patel also, he's the guy. And there is the Dave Sharp, uh, Jonathan Montoya, and there's a lot of big people out there. Brian Brewer, you can learn from there. They have all the YouTube channel and everything. Okay, so they are the big guy. I follow them. I learn from them also. So affiliate marketing industry info. So let me explain you this one. Size of industry of the 2017. It's 12, $12 billion and growing 10%, through 2021. So this is a source from IAB. and Business Insider, we got it. This one is like a 1,200 billion dollar. This is the industry is like that, and it's growing. Okay, so more than 80% of brand have affiliate marketing program. You know, and America is the biggest player in the affiliate industry with a 39% share. So mostly in the American people, they know about the affiliate marketing. So for me, just now I joined this industry is like a 3 and 4 months ago, and I joined it, and then here I come. I'm just trying to tell all the peoples those. Basically, I'm from the India, and I try to, because most of the Indian people, they don't know about that. So whoever is watching is not only about the Indian people, it's all about the world. Whoever they want to learn about the affiliate marketing, and if they want to make money from online work from home and everything. So nearly 65% of affiliate marketers generate traffic by blogging. This is the traffic is like a blogging is very good, like you just review about them, what is that and things about that, and you put them link. People, they will click that link, they will buy from your link, and you'll get commission. So that's a blogging is good thing. I do mostly TikTok, but it's the blogging also. 94% of publisher use multiple affiliate marketing networks. So you can see that 94% of publishers use multiple affiliate marketing networks. Advertisers generate between 15% and 30% of all sales from affiliate programs. Because all the big brand, the Amazon, it will come later on. All the big brands, they have the affiliate marketing and affiliate marketers, and we promote their product, and that's how they're 15 to 30% they get sales from there. Affiliate marketing is responsible for 16% of global e-commerce sales. Wow. 60% the global e-commerce sales is the affiliate marketing. So that's a very good to know that you guys also. So info provided, if you want to go and check it out, go ahead, and the hostingtribunal.com blog affiliate marketing stats, go ahead and check it out if you guys want to check it out. So all right, so here is like a uh, okay, the type of products you can promote as an affiliate. Okay, so physical products is like a large company like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, CVS, Nike, and there are a lot of companies. They have the like the affiliate program. We can promote it, and that's a good thing about that. And after that, there's the digital products. Digital products, we can promote that. So sorry about that. Yeah. So in digital products, what we are doing here, information product in health, wealth, and relationship. You know, this is the three niche, is growing. It's going to be health is like a keto diet. You want to lose your wealth. Wealth is like how to make money. Relationship is like your husband, wife, and whatever relationship is there. So example, learn to make money online or learn to lose weight with the keto. I personally promote Legendary Marketer. I personally promote the Legendary Marketer. This education platform is uh, it's like incredible, incredible, and the custom diets also, keto diets. So you evergreen, meaning people will always want to learn these things, so there will be always be an opportunity to promote products in niche. So that's a good thing that. And you can promote like a software also, like a ClickFunnels, Builderall, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, a Weber, and it's like and the Facebook Messenger, ELM Messenger. There's a lot of things you can promote it, back in. But for front end, Legendary Marketer is cool way to promote, because once people they buy from your link, you'll get $1,000. So that's a good thing that, and is the beginner friendly also. So that's thinking about that. So where to find this affiliate program to join? Where, so if you want to shortcut your chances to success, you should find a program many people are already having success with. So if you want to get success, we need a one mentor. If I want to make a $1 million, I have to follow one mentor, those he is already making, those he has already success with that. So yep. A lot of people doesn't mean it's saturated, it means it works. That's the promoting legendary marketer. It's really good platform. Just go ahead and promote it and you'll get the money. And this is the, like, whatever there is the buzz in the market. People, they are like, it's hot. Just jump in and do it and you'll get the result right away. If your niche isn't teaching others to make money, you have to pick a program that works for you, that excuse me, sorry, works for you, that you are comfortable promoting or building a brand around. So your niche supposed to be around that. Like, suppose that my niche is like how to make money online, is no, like a wealth niche. So that's why this is the good platform to promote. once you figure out once you figure out this, use Google to search the best affiliate program for. So how you gonna find it? You just Google it. And whatever your niche, you can also visit affiliate marketplace and find a product like ClickBank, ShareSale, Commission Junction, and Paper Jam, and more. You can get it. So yep. And then DG store also, they have it, like, you can find it. So yeah, sign up, it's simple. Just submit your basic info. Yes, you can be under 18 and still be an affiliate. That's a good thing about that. One of our affiliate, his name is the Daryl. He's the 17 years old and he don't have bank account also. I always give this example to everyone, and he is crushing. He is like a $50,000, he already made it. So that's a good thing about that. And one of the many benefits of this business model. So that's a good thing. You don't have to be. After that, where to get traffic to send to your affiliate links? Like, we got the affiliate links and everything. How we gonna run the traffic? So first thing first, you need a landing page software. It's like a website. Website is like, you can what is that called, the click funnels, builder, or drop funnels, one funnel. There's a lot in the market. So yep, you have to be the landing page, so it looks more professional. Once you drive the traffic, it looks more professional here, where you can send the people first, capture the emails, and then ultimately send them your sales link. You also need an email responder. So email responder is like a get response, or the Aweber, or active campaign, or everything. I'm going to tell you next page also. The landing page allows you to capture their email, so you can continue to communicate with them. So we will take the email, and landing page, we are going to talk about that. Like, they are going to see that, okay, he is the real person. And we will explain about everything. So as most people don't buy at first, so the visibility, 7 times chances are there ki once people they see, and once they buy. Okay. The paid traffic method include also, later on, once you start, it's not for the beginner, but once you start making money, you can pay traffic also from the Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube ads, on the TikTok ads, everywhere you can do that, and you'll get the sales from there also. But I will suggest you, as a beginner, organic free traffic method is like a TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Facebook groups, blogs, Pinterest, and this is all the social media. It's like, you can run your free traffic from to your affiliate link. So I hope it makes sense, guys. All right, so the $1 million questions: how much can you make? So the short answer is, with affiliate marketing you can make as much, I mean, as you want, or or as a little. So it is not a get rich quick scheme also. It's not like in one day and you become millionaire. No, it takes time and effort. Okay, so understand everything. Once your system is built, you are ready to go. you know so I always recommend you guys, don't think about that like you invest for your education and you become like the richest person in this world. No, it's not going to work like that. So first you have to understand, and this system, it will work for you. Even you are sleeping, it's working for you 24 into 7. Because normal human being, how many hours we can work? 10, 12 hours we can work, right? But after that, after 12 hours we got tired, or 14 hours we got tired. But this system, it's making they're going to work for you 24 into 7, 20 24 into 7. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, affiliate marketing is about the long game. Just think about the long game. Think if you spend 6 months creating TikTok, YouTube, and other content, all driving traffic back to your affiliate link. That's what I do. I just go through the TikTok and I drive the traffic to my affiliate links, and now I start making YouTubes. So that's how I have the Facebook also. So that's how I drive my traffic. The content snowballs over time. The content, it will snowballs like over time. And so do your commission also. It's like my commission was like a $1. Once I started, $1, I was so happy that day. you know so I was so happy. But now it's just like a snowball's effect. It's coming, coming, coming. It's once you start, it will come. So at the first, your focus should be about finding transaction. Okay, proving your funnel system works. Okay, then worry about totals. So okay, just focus on the finding your tractions and providing your funnel system works and everything is that, everything is working, and then you think about then everything. My results, while not typical, are possible. Okay, I began making one to $200 a day within the first week promoting Legendary Marketer, and have made like a little over like a 10 to 11 thousand dollar in a little over, okay, a month promoting Legendary Marketer. And the and the key to and there's a lot of things in the back also I'm promoting. So I will highly recommend you guys, just go ahead. I will click the link down below. Just go ahead and then start your 15 days training. It's only the 15, what is that called? It's only $7 for 15 days training, and that's it. Learn from there, start promoting Legendary Marketer, and you'll go from there. So I hope it makes sense to you guys. If you have any question, just reach me out. I'll be so happy to answer you anything. You can reach me out on the Facebook, you can reach me out on TikTok, you can reach me out on the Instagram, anywhere. I will link everything down below. And I will highly recommend you go ahead, check it out, everything. Okay, and if you like my content, so please like it and share it, and subscribe my channel, because this is my I'm going to bring a lot of value, lot of videos in the future. So I hope it makes sense, guys. Thank you. Thank you for jumping, and I'll see you in the next one.